So this is a motor that came in that another shop's been working on a lot, and they hadn't gotten it to run. Built the carburetors, put on a new stator, put on a new pack, spark plugs, fuel pump, coils, key switch, and they kept it from April to November to get it to run, and it just came in, and so we said we could do a diagnostic on it. And the diagnostic includes the fuel sample. There's the fuel sample. It's great. So it's clear, no contaminants in it. The compression was adequate. And so we're at the spark check. We've got the control box disconnected from here, so there's nothing from the control box that could be a problem. So we're going to turn it over with the remote starter switch, and so it should spark. And there's absolutely no spark, and if you notice, there's a whole lot of gas that's coming out of number 3 and none coming out of 1 and 2. So we're going to probably have a carburetor problem after this is said and done, but right now our main concern is that there's no fire. Then he has a new control box or power pack, new coils, new stator, and it should be firing, but it's not.